my ass. Billy, fix my ass. Billy, fix my ass. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I want you to listen to me closely. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Billy Fix My Ads. Sounds like Billy Fix My Ads, but it's not. Billy Fix My Ads, episode 3, where you send in your advertisements and I light them on fire, rebuild them, and I remodel them. I remodel your ads. Anyway, let's jump to the screen. This one here is from Brittany Demical, and it says, attention business owners, what would you do with 20 free new leads today? What if you had 20 new leads every day? Using social media marketing, I was able to help a D2 All-Star cheer gym gain 20 new leads in less than 24 hours. 15 new students came to the gym as a result of that short campaign. How could you grow your business with ads like this? I'm a social media marketer and I'm offering to build you an ad campaign just like this for free. Let's see how many customers we can bring to your business. I strive to over-deliver value to my clients. If you're not satisfied with our results, you still have earned some good exposure and new customer leads for free. Because building campaigns like this takes time, I'm offering this to only 5 clients, so don't wait. You honestly have nothing to lose but potential customers. Click below and let me know a little bit about your business and what you offer to your clients. I'm looking forward to working with you. And then she has a girl doing an upside down vertical aerial split Tamagotchi, Uchiwali, bang bang, whatever it is. Well, Brittany, thank you for submitting this ad. And overall, not so bad. It's actually pretty good. But there are some elements that you're forgetting. So let's jump to the drawing board. Here's the thing. For some reason, along the lines of this advertising world, we get caught up in the sales, in the product, in the process. And we forget about the number one thing to sell. And you know what that is? It's to sell yourself. Let me explain. When people are deciding what to buy, they give a fuck about who they are buying from. If it's a product like a pack of gum or something, not so much. But when you're providing a service, and people are depending on you to be the person to deliver them results, you need to sell yourself just as much as the product or service. So when I go to the ad and I'm searching through it, I'm looking for more information about Brittany Timko. And I don't see much of it on the ad because 1, you're not in the picture. 2, it's just a bunch of text, and by the way, the barrier to entry is really low. Anybody can say that. But 2 or 3, I don't know what number I'm on, whatever, just numbers everywhere, your landing page. There's no sign of you, there's no sign of your company, there's no sign of an office. You could be a freaking spacemanship. What? You don't know what a spacemanship is? Man, I'll show them what a spacemanship is. It's that thing right there. Anyways, Brittany, I like you. We're getting along great. So let's talk about this. Whenever you guys write an ad, take these quick notes. Sell your product or service. Sell yourself. Because people buy when they want or when they have one thing, and that's trust. Think about it. If they believe as a result from actually clicking your ad and having a conversation with you, and they believe that with 1,000% certainty, they will likely take action because they genuinely need your help. But because you forgot to mention yourself, they may be a little bit hesitant. So let's talk about that. What are some ways that we can add some more trust within your ad copy and pause? Let's take a look at the ad. Do you see here there's an image? And all I see is a girl. And I see weird legs. Did it catch my attention? Yes. If I'm in the cheer space practice, will it automatically grab my eye? Yes. But here's the difference. In ads like this, when you're providing a service, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you use a video. Because nothing can create the same amount of trust from an image than video. I said that kind of weird, but you get my point. So for example, I think you should create a video here. And I think your video should start off with you, with the entire cheer team. And as soon as the video begins, you go 1, 2, 3, whoosh, and everybody does it at the same time. Now I decided to just put my legs in the air, but the cheerleader girls, they can probably do backflips. And when it comes to grabbing attention, what's going to grab someone's attention more than these freaking girls all doing a backflip simultaneously, and then you coming out of the middle like, hey, what's up? My name is Billy Jean, and I help Your gyms like this get more members. Matter of fact, just a few weeks ago, before they started working with me, there was only this many girls there. Whoosh. But now there's this many. Don't believe me? Hear it from Sarah. See her LinkedIn page. She's a real person. She has a real gym. There's so much trust that you're forgetting to transfer. It's killing me. So what's the moral of the story? Brittany, Timothy, Chakish, whoop, whoop, whoop. Don't forget to sell yourself along with your product or service. Wait a second. Let's not forget about your landing page, Brittany. Let's go to it. Let's talk about it. Talk about no trust. Darkwing Duck could have wrote this advertisement. Jafar. Have you seen what Jafar can do? Show him, hot sauce. Stuff like that. So your ad says, try your free ad campaign, create my campaign below. Here's what I do. The same video that you're going to create for the advertisement, I'd also like you to put it on this page. And in addition to this, I would like you to also include a picture of yourself at the bottom. Maybe a special note. Hey, I look forward to chatting with you. Also, too, you need to explain what's going to happen on this call. It says create my campaign now, but realistically, you're not just going to click this button. Let's actually see what happens. You got the email, name, phone number, etc. So if you're just going to create my campaign right now, why do you need my phone number to do it? The truth is, and again, it's about creating trust. If you're creating an expectation for one user and the user is like, create my free ad campaign now, then they click the button, you ask for the phone number, it may be a little bit off-putting. So what you got to do here is you got to be straightforward. Hey, let's have a conversation so I can get started with your ad campaign, right? And then also, too, for your bullet points here, you need to explain exactly what they're going to get out of that call. And it needs to be exciting. Yeah, that's it. Anyways, that's all I got for you, Brittany Timothy. I like your last name, though. You should keep it. Later.